Manipur by-poll results, BJP candidate Oh Lukhoy has won Wangoi Assembly seat, defeating his closest rival Khuraijam Loken of National People's Party (NPP). Meanwhile, independent candidate Y Amtach has secured Lilong Assembly seat. BJP candidate Paunam Brojan Singh has won Wangjing 10th seat. The by-polls in 4 seats were held on November 7. Now result of Site 2 is awaited. Singhat Assembly seat has already been secured by Bharatiya Janata Party BJP candidate Ginswan Hao. The by-polls were held on November 7. NDA led by JDU and Nitish Kumar has overtaken the RJD-led Mahagathbandhan and has gained leads in over 125 seats, which is over the required majority of 122 assembly seats. Counting of votes across 55 counting centers in Bihar began at 8 a.m. today. The mandate on a fierce campaign and 15 years of Nitish Kumar rule will be out today, the media report said. In a series of review meetings with states regarding the coronavirus disease COVID-19 situation, Union Health Minister Harshvardhan virtually met health ministers and senior state officials of 9 states. The states he reviewed have been reporting higher COVID-19 caseloads as compared to the national average: Andhra Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal, Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Telangana, Punjab, Haryana and Kerala. India today reported 38,074 new coronavirus cases, taking the total number of cases to 85,91,731. The death toll has reached 1,27,059, with 448 new deaths reported in the last 24 hours, as per the Union Health Ministry. Brazil has suspended the clinical trials for China's Sinovac coronavirus vaccine in the country, citing a severe adverse event. This has surprised the trial organizers, who countered that there had been a death but it was unrelated to China's coronavirus vaccine.